So hi guys, so welcome to Chart Traders channel for a weekly view, that is for 5th till September 9th. So the caption what I mentioned here, Nifty 17k this week. So whether Nifty is going to touch or test this support 17k in this week or not, let's look at the chart technically how it's going to react. So before that, note down guys, our channel is only for educational purpose, so if you're trading please contact your finance advisor. So I have Manju also with me. Hi Manju. So what do you say is about the
I am.
Nifty?
I am.
How it's going to react in coming
Yeah,
days?
if you see on Friday, I mean, globally,
Mm-hmm.
it was negative. Even US Dow Jones was negative. So I'm
Mm-hmm.
expecting a little bit of correction in our market also.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So currently, as of now, the support would be somewhere near 17,450 to 400 levels.
Okay.
If that breaks, you can expect till 17,200. If that level breaks, then again you can expect till 17,800. I mean 16,700 to 800 range.
Okay. So this is the level
On the
which
upper
we can expect on the lower side. On the upper side.
on the upper side, 17,800 it has to sustain above that level. Only
Mm-hmm.
then you can expect a further upside movement in Nifty.
So this is the level on the lower side. You need to watch at this support 17,450, 400 levels. If that breaks, then we can expect the gap fill at this 17,300, and next gap is at 17,000, 16,900 levels. So we can expect this gap can fill if it is negative. On the higher side, as Manju said, this 17,800 exact at this range. If it break this trend line, we can expect positive move touching this 18,000. So I'm expecting negative as currently global market showing some negative. So let's see how it's going to react. So we can keep these levels 17,400, 17,200, and 17,000 or 16,800 levels for this week. Let's look at the Bank Nifty chart. So, what is your view, Manju, on Bank Nifty?
Bank Nifty, if you see right on the daily charts,
Hmm.
it is almost like on Friday it was a flat, like it formed a doji kind of candle.
Yeah,
So I'm not
flat.
expecting anything the upside. Like I mean, if even if it if it wants to be positive, right? It needs to sustain above 39,000 700 800 levels. 700 above 39,700, you can expect upside movement in Bank Nifty.
Okay.
And if it breaks a Friday's low, right, you can expect till 38,800 levels as next important support. If that breaks, then you can expect further downside uh, till 38,000 like last week.
38,000 at this trend line support. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So, at this level, 38,400 also we have a gap. So, if it open negative, fails to hold this 39,000 level, we can expect this downtrend till 38,800.
Yes.
38,500 near the gap, and further downside we can expect 38,000 at this trend line. So that is what on the lower side. So as Manju said, we need to wait for this trend line breakout around this 39,700 800 levels. If it break, then further upside we can expect 40,000. It will be a next level on Bank Nifty. So currently, even this doesn't look good. Like Nifty, it's showing some negative as it has formed doji, as Manju mentioned in the daily chart. So we can expect further downside. Let's look at the over data. What the over data says. Okay, give me a minute.
Yeah. Yeah. One more thing I want to tell about
Hmm.
Hemant.
Hmm.
When regarding this, right? When we say some particular level, right? For example, now we said like Nifty was near 17,200. If that level breaks, then you can look for selling or weakness, right?
Hmm.
That doesn't mean like exactly if it falls below 200, directly you are going to sell that one. No, it's not like that. You need to watch what the candle formation it is forming.
Okay.
There will be a difference. Like sometimes what happens is, right, last week also we said like Nifty might take support near 180 to 200 levels. That
Yeah.
was the level we were talking in the last week, but it made a low of near 150,
Yes.
160 somewhere,
Mm.
but we had given like 180 to 200 levels.
You are right.
So you cannot get the exact numbers. Only thing is you need to wait for, near those levels and watch what is the price action it is doing there, how the candle is forming. If it is positive, forming positive candle, you can look for a buying entry. If it again gets rejected near that level, then wait for the retest and take your sell entries.
Okay.
That's the advice.
So,
Many people they jump on to the trade just after breaking the level itself.
you're right, Manju. I mean, many people have also pinged us sometime. So it has reached. We have taken the entry. Is that going to be further downside? Example, on the 17,100. Sorry, 17,160. If you look here, you need to watch whether how it is reacting. If it is further going down, and many candles has formed negative red candle sellings. If you see, so it need to sustain, and after holding it for a time, if you see any breakout moving upside, it can move upside. If it's hold for some sustain for a while, another 10 or 15 minutes or an hour, we need to watch those candle, what type of candles it is forming, and then we need to take a decision. Then if it is making more sell or bearish candles more here at this zone, then you need to try to for a sell, but you need to wait for and see whether it can sustain or not the couple of candles here. Okay, that is what Manju was trying to explain, because many people looking at this value, they say that we have entered assuming that it is going to break and we are under loss or something, but you need to have patience, watch the levels for and see whether it can sustain, then only can take a trade. Okay. So let's look at the over data. Give me a minute, let me change my screen. So thanks Manju for sharing that. uh, so bank nifty, both these place bank nifty are pasted. Super. So I'm sharing only the bank nifty chart. Okay, over data. If you look here, we have a very strong resistance is 39,500, and the good support is 38,000. So you need to wait whether it can open positive on Monday. If it is positive, then we need to watch at this level 39,500. If that sustain, next level we can expect this around this 40 is the next resistance. And if it fails to hold this 39,000, you can expect 38,500, 38,000 levels as per the over data. That's about the bank nifty over data. So let's look at the chart for stocks for Monday. Before that, this is our training program, guys. If you're really interested to learn technical, you can contact me, Hemant at 369, and we are going to take a session only on weekends, so that's only on Sunday. If you're really interested to learn and earn, right, you can join our training program. This is a topic which you're going to cover. Let's look at the stock for tomorrow, I mean Monday. Axis Bank above 755, you need to watch. That's in resistance. If that breaks, right, or open positive sustain at that 755 levels, then the next resistance is 764. 770 is the next resistance. Prestige below 745, you need to watch. That's in support here. If that fails to hold, next support is 460 63. 453 is the next support. Next is Ramco Cement below 744, just holding at this on Friday. If that breaks the support, right, next level is 735, 720, 727. Next is Vedanta, you need to watch below 255. Okay, so that's in support here. If it fails to hold is 255, next level is 247, and 242 will be a next support for Vedanta. That's about the stock for Monday. And thanks, guys, for watching our chart traders channel. Thanks, Manju, for joining with me and helping our retailers to know technical. Thanks for your time. Cheers. Bye.